Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Facebook. To change Facebook name you need to go to Facebook account settings. So after login into account you click on this button here at the upper right corner. And then go to settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Here you need to go to the account center. But if the account center is not showing here, just click on the search button and search by account center. Here is the account center, click on it. Now click on profiles. And then click on your Facebook account. Click on name. Now change your name, edit your first name, middle name, and last name whatever you want. Once you are done changing your name, click on the review change. Here select how your name will appear on your profile. Then click on Save Changes. Facebook name changed successfully. Remember, later if you ever want to change or edit the name, then you have to wait up to 60 days after changing the name. After 60 days you can edit or change the name again. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.